Hello people around the world, this is Mario Liza, and for today's video guys, we will be reacting to the newest K-pop group na composed ng mga Filipino as well. Yes, sinimula na nga ito ng Horizon at ito ay ang kanilang sibling group na ang kasama dito guys, of course, ang mga kasama rin sa Dream Maker. Proud na hindi sinayang ni MLD Entertainment yung pagkakataon to hone the others as well kasi nakitaan nila siya ng potential. Na instead of saying that it is a competition, para sa akin, it's supporting each other din, diba? Kasi syempre naman sayang, diba? Kumbaga, nandiyan na yung Horizon at nagsisimula na sila and sobrang successful na nila, diba? In a way. Kaya naman, support din natin tong New ID. Yan, New ID ang kanilang pangalan. Ano naman, no? At kanilang first music video is ER. Wow, what emergency room, no? Siguro dahil pag napanood natin to, tayo ay talagang mabibighani at aatakin tayo sa puso. Wag naman, no? Pero let's see, no? Without further ado, let's react. Oh, I need help. Wow. Tagalog. Oh, I didn't expect that though. Alright, I thought it's Korean. Oh. Yeah, but the vocals, guys. Can you hear that? Si Josh L talaga, guys, yung ano ko dito, pambato ko eh. Gan... We're nasa pure Tagalog. Beware. Si Wilson to, di ba? Gustong ilong. Happy day. New ID, ER. Okay, nagulat ako because I was expecting that they will sing in Korean or parang may halong English or Tagalog inside. Pero pure Tagalog pala siya. So I'm kind of curious if ever they would guest on music shows sa Korea, of course, they would sing this, right? Or maybe there would be a Korean version of this song. We don't know. But, well, nakaka-proud din naman kung yun yung kakantahin nila sa mga music shows, di ba? Siyempre, lengguwahe natin yun, di ba? Ang pakaganda ng ating language, di ba? So, kung Korean man or Tagalog, it's still a win-win situation, right? So, nakaka-proud ang New ID, di ba? And napansin ko, grabe, ang ganda ng vocals nila kasi hindi sinayang ni MLD Entertainment tong opportunity na to form them as a group as well. So, I don't know paano yung atake, pero parang mas nakikita ko siya na parang more on magfo-focus sa ballad, I think, Pero since may mga dancers din dito, baka they would also have powerful dance. Powerful na nga to, di ba? Pero let's see pa, no? At talagang, I think, well, ito sa akin lang naman, kasi nakikita ko si Horizon na cutie-cutie, di ba? Sila naman yung parang more on manly ang dating. Pero, I'm excited to see both Horizon and New ID ay magsiswitch and magpapalit naman ng genre, ganun, di ba? So, maganda yun na flexible sila pareho, di ba? Sensibling group naman sila. So, nakakatuwa naman na tingnan that maraming grupo na, of course, kalahi natin ang nakikita natin on the international stage, di ba? What more can we ask, di ba? So, support lang talaga natin sila. So, good job, New ID. Rooting for your future endeavors pa. So, there you have it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And if other New ID contents that you want us to react to, don't forget to comment on our comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Mario Elijah. Yun lang, guys. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod na kabanata. Paalam.